Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders and dip liquids from Risen Legacy to create a fun, springy Valentine's Day mani. Now the first color here, it's called Yours Truly, and it is like a pink purple neon. It's almost like a raspberry purple. It's really pretty and it has a more of a pinker undertone to it. And then we're also going to be using Morning Glory, and I really like this color. I've used it in the past, and it is the perfect shimmery purple, and it's not too dark, and it pairs perfectly with Sweethearts. This is one of the new glitters in the Valentine's Day collection. It's a really pretty glitter of pinks, purples, and it has these beautiful color shifts in there as well, and I just think these three colors complement each other really well. These colors are also giving me spring vibes. I think this is the perfect spring combination. So for today's mani, we'll be dipping on my nails today, and we'll be using the Risen Legacy dip liquids. Can we have a moment here for these beautiful pink jars? I just love the dip liquids from Risen Legacy, and the pink jars are definitely a special touch. We're going to start out the mani today by dipping into that beautiful purple Morning Glory, and that glitter that I'm going to be using here in a few moments called Sweethearts is part of Risen Legacy's Valentine's Day collection called Where Love Begins. It's a collection that consists of 6 beautiful unique glitters. I did use some of the other glitters in manis on my channel, so definitely check those out after the video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mallory and I post daily uploads of manis. From dipping onto my nails like you see here, I also dip on shorties and I do make press-ons, and occasionally I do use gel products. So if you like that kind of thing, definitely consider subscribing. And even though I do post daily, just pop in whenever you can or whenever you're looking for some mani inspo. All right, so let's dive into this mani process and then I'll pop back in at the end.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his
All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here and we're finishing with the top coat. Now, Risen Legacy's liquids are awesome and the top coat is super shiny and you cannot go wrong with these liquids. They're very thin consistency, so you can get really nice, smooth, even thin layers when you are dipping. So that is a plus with these Risen Legacy liquids. If you haven't tried them and you are looking to grab some more liquids in the future, definitely consider Risen Legacy because you will fall in love with the consistency of these liquids. I really like how this mani turned out. It's giving me all those spring vibes. I cannot stop staring at that glitter sweethearts. It's kind of giving me like these mermaid vibes, and I feel like this glitter would also really look good with like a teal or like a neon green for like that spring break kind of mani. I just feel like this collection of glitters is so fun, and they're the perfect accent nails for your mani. Especially, I like to keep my manis really simple, so I feel like me adding like a pop of glitter really like jazzes up my mani. So I'm all for this glitter right now, sweethearts. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. If you missed yesterday's video, definitely check it out. I am doing a giveaway, and I will see you in tomorrow's upload.